Hi guys, this is the presentation of Group 3, Steak Bites. So, first we need to cut the large obvious part that runs along the side of the meat. Then, we need to cut 1 inch strips, 1 inch strip of the meat. Okay. One inch. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Okay. Then, we need to rotate the meat. Then, again, cut 1 inch. Small bite size. Okay. So, I am here to continue what Mark have done. This is the sirloin that have been cut into small bite-sized pieces. So, here now to move it in a bowl with the kosher salt as our ingredient and with our freshly ground black pepper. So, we are here now to move the sirloin. And there's one. So you can see here. We will put the kosher salt and freshly ground pepper generously. Together with the ground beef, with the black pepper, freshly ground. Then we will mix it. Then one left. Now we're gonna put the brown sugar in here. Now we're gonna put the brown butter in the cooked meat. Yes, in the steak bites. To finish